Yo, what's up, guys? It is I got a new mic, so I hope the mic is good. I hope it's like super good because I actually bought it like last week because I got told my mic was really bugged. So, but yeah, today pretty decent day. It's currently gonna be 9:28 Central Time, 10:28 Eastern Time. We're back home finally in Houston, so it's time to grind. After this video, I'm probably gonna get ready and go hit the big gym, right? I haven't said gym in a minute. So today, right, let me quickly run it down for y'all. Overnight, dumped, retraced back into what it looks like it's like equilibrium or 0.62 level, and then literally as soon as market ripped open, we just took out. These are London lows. I'm pretty sure, right? We took out London lows, right? Yeah, after London lows. Yeah, we took out London lows, right? And then created a super large imbalance, right? Yeah, SMT. So bullish narrative for me at least. That's how I kind of got my narrative because we already had that like AMD occur, right? So moving forward, I was just gonna see the wait. I was gonna just wait and see what was gonna be going on with the markets today, right? Let me make sure, yeah, everything's all right. So IFEG, great. By the way, I wait till macro, right? So we're waiting until at least 9:40, so we can give the time, like we can give the market some time to build up and figure out what's going on, right? So 9:40. Um, Literally, we just start moving higher and higher and higher, disrespecting all bearish confluence. Order block retracement following displacement. I mean, great, super nice, super well played. Um, it's literally just following bullish confluences and like just following the bias, right? The narrative, right? Going into where the macro opens, right? It's officially 9:40. 9:40, have a little bit of a rejection candle in this area. We wake in, we do create an SMT with ES at the high, right? So I'm keeping that in mind heavily, right? We do have an SMT contradicting where I'm looking to take, so I'm fully bullish, right? So SMT is in place, so I'm gonna be super cautious, right? So cautious I was, right? I was pretty cautious, but again, right? We rebalanced at PXH, right? So that's already a confluence. I can be like, okay, we already rebalanced at PXH. So depending on what's gonna happen here, right? I can look for an entry or not, following and going higher, right? So long story short, rebalanced at PXH, and then we had displacement, and we disrespected the order block, right? Because we had a little bullish order block right here. Off of this displacement, we disrespected it fully, right? So I'm like, okay, great, this is perfect. I can see some bullish some bullish momentum coming out of this, right? And then, actually, I should mark out this order block as well. This might be a level I should have taken or something. Yeah, I could have targeted one. All right, whatever. So then we created another bullish order block, right? And then, yeah, it was pretty clear from there. Obviously, you wanted to go higher, but with that being said, we did create an internal SMT. And the rule that I do have set up for myself is that if we do have an internal SMT opposing us, I am going to put my stops at break even. And unfortunately, yeah, we literally ran higher, right? And then we just came back lower, stopped me out. You can tell by my, oh no, wait. Yeah, right here, you can tell my little execution right there. Stopped me out, break even, and then we just continue to go higher. Unfortunate break even, but again, that's what keeps my win rate so high. So it's all good. Like it's really just it's I have to normalize these break evens and losses because at the end of the day, my statistic is so high. So um, with that being said, I don't know if I mentioned, but I did pass the eval last night, so now I got these two accounts. Plus, I have another account that I need to activate. It's not even here. But I'm not going to activate it until I can get a payout on these two accounts. So, current scaling plan is going to be, I want to get a 2K payout on each of these accounts, and then, just reinvest it right back, right? 2K, yeah, that's pretty good. Put me at a 5K a month. So, it's the plan right now. But, yeah, I'm very transparent with everything. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's been a pretty decent month. Last week I did have some little slip ups, but, nothing too big to hold me back. But all right. So after that long, literally rebalanced again at PXH by the looks of it. Yep, exactly that. Also equilibrium of this range, I assume. And actually, let's check. Almost equilibrium with this range. But with that being said, though, we could still take this as a good rebalance because we rebalanced that PXH. We swept this low, turtle swooped that low, and then we had clear displacement, right? So anyone else looking along, a long entry right here would have been optimal. Something like this right here would have been great. Rebalance of this order block, and then we just displaced, right? So good trade right here, and then you could have just targeted a 1-to-1, which would have hit like almost instantly, right? And then maybe even higher if you wanted to, be risky with it. But obviously the lower RR is what maintains a high win rate for me at least. But pretty good trading day today. Um, Basically gonna be my little recap. Uh, if we hop on Discord real quick, here's my little journal for today. I was pretty happy, but yeah, I was disappointed with how it played out. Fully followed my rules, of course. That's the most important thing. I did steal this from my boy. Shout out Javante Williams. He knows who he is. Excuse me, bro. No. But yeah, pretty straightforward stuff. Seriously. I do think moving forward, um, it's rinsing and repeating it. I do have a back test video on the way. I'm still editing that, and I just got home, so do be patient. But just quick shout out to Alpha Features. I will be pushing them a lot because the firm I work with all the time, and they're great. Just currently have I'm trying to run a top step and rinse them, but because of the Project X platform. But once Alpha has their platform coming out real soon, can't speak much on it. Um, I will be there. I will be there. So there's gonna be like a yeah 50K count giveaway. If you are interested, just low key tap into the Instagram. I'll be posting all the deets in there. But with that being said, y'all, if y'all are still trading, just be careful. Don't be stupid and trade wisely and smart. Um, Again, if you have any questions, hit me up on Instagram. Super more than happy to help anyone out who's interested. I don't sell anything, so let me know and gonna go make some content for y'all. So I'll catch up with you later. And then yeah, this is how I made $44.40 today. So peace out, guys.